I'm going to show you how you can start playing the emoji game in your Instagram application. First, we are going to go our Instagram and hidden we're hidden this way. And after we are home, we go to the upper right corner where we can see the messages and we can see many options, but I press the chat, any chat, and send the emoji and press the emoji here, and we can see the game. And once send, you are going to touch to the top of the emoji and you can see the game has started, and you also have a score, and you tell me all. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what do you think, and if you like it, please share it with your friends.